Bots are essentially robots in the Discord that can help with certain processes. Some typical uses of bots are to create calendars and to send automatic messages. In the Housing Discord server, we use bots to help with automation. There are 4 main bots that are used in the Housing Discord server. We will be going through what each of these bots do and how to interact with them. These bots are Zira, Sesh, Groovy, and Dino. These bots can often be recognized as they will have bot next to their name. This video can get a little technical with some bots functionality, so if you have any questions, please feel free to message an administrator. One quick thing to mention is that these bots are sometimes found at the top of the server under the administrator role, as they require administrative privileges for their purposes, so it's good to check if you are messaging a bot or an actual administrator in case you have any questions. Zira is a bot that is used for 2 things: role assigning and suggestions. In the last video in this series, you may remember how I mentioned that you can press buttons and you will get roles on certain messages. This task is possible because of ZiraBot. Getting this to work with ZiraBot is a little tricky, so pay close attention to this part if you are interested in making your own messages that lets you assign roles. Before you start, you will need to turn on developer mode in Discord. To do this, you must go to your user settings in the bottom left corner of the screen and then click Appearance. Scroll down a bit and toggle developer mode on. Now that you have done that, you need to go to the admin bot channel in the Housing Discord server. Then you can type z/message and then whatever you want the message to say. Zira will copy exactly what you put after z/message. You can then link a role button to that message by typing z/add and then the emoji and the role. You can also edit the message by clicking the 3 dots, clicking copy ID, and then typing z/edit and then pasting that ID. You can remove the role by typing z/delete, then copying the message ID and typing in the role name. Currently, all messaging with Zira with the z/message command goes to the optional role selection channel. This can be changed with the z/channel and then the channel name. Something more simple that Zira allows for is suggestions. Any user can type z/suggest in the suggestion category, and then it will appear as a suggestion that people can vote on by adding emojis. Administrators are able to approve, deny, or consider these changes by typing in z/approve, z/deny, or z/maybe, and then putting the message ID. This will alert people if their message has been approved or not. After this, you should delete the suggestion. Sesh is a bot that is useful for creating events, as it will allow users to RSVP and set a reminder for the event, all within Discord. To create an event, go to the bots channel and then type !create, and then click on the link that says click to open the create page. This will then bring you to an external website where you're able to input your own information like the event title, start time, description, and duration. It is also recommended to click sign up options, click presets, and then click yes, no, maybe. Once you are done filling this out, SeshBot will put a message in Discord and students can react with yes, no, or maybe to get their RSVP. Once a user fills out any of these options, they will get a direct message from Sesh that will ask if the user would like to set a reminder. They can then indicate when they would like to be notified for the event by clicking on the corresponding icon. You can also edit event details in SeshBot by clicking on the notepad icon on the event page. SeshBot will then send you a message that will have a link titled, "Click here to edit this event." After you click on that link, you'll be brought to another external website where you can fix up the details. Once you are finished, click on the blue button at the bottom that says Edit Event in Events. Groovy allows people to play any music that is on YouTube in a voice channel so people can hang out and talk with some shared music in the background. Anybody can interact with this bot by going to the bottom of the chats to see another bot category. This is different from the bot category that was shown earlier, as that is for administrators, moderators, and ambassadors only, while this one is for the public. You should then join any voice channel and type -join, and then -play with a link to the song. You can add songs to the queue by entering more songs with the -play command. You can also skip songs with -skip, and you can see the queue of songs with -q. When you are done with the bot, you can type in "leave" or the bot will automatically disconnect if nobody's in the voice chat for a while. Dinobot is the most complex bot in the server, as it is primarily used for making custom roles. An example of this being done can be seen in the free online games text chat, which allows for people to be randomly given a game to play for free based off of the category they select. For example, by typing / and then the game category such as /board game, Dino will DM you with a random board game. This is such a large concept for the bot that we will not be going into it in this video, but resources will be linked in case you want to learn a bit more. One more thing about Dinobot that is extremely useful is that it creates a log for the Discord server. Anytime a user edits or deletes a message, Dinobot picks it up and saves it in the logs channel. That is all for bots in the Discord server. These processes can get a little bit confusing, so please feel free to reach out to an administrator should you have any more questions. The next and final video will be on editing the Discord layout.